Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today we will talk about financial accounting skills and why every professional must learn basic accounting, even if you are not an accountant. I will explain in three simple points with easy examples. Point 1. Understand money coming in and going out. Cash flow. First skill is cash flow understanding. Cash flow means how much money comes in, how much money goes out. If money coming in is more than money going out, the business is safe. If money going out is more, the business is in danger. Example: if a shop earns $1,000 in sales but spends $1,200 on rent, salary, and bills, the shop is losing money. So even if sales are high, bad cash flow can close the business. Proof: many companies fail not because of low profit, but because they run out of cash. That is why cash flow is very important. Point 2. Know profit and loss, profitability. Second skill is profitability. Profit means money left after all expenses. Formula is very simple. Profit equals sales minus expenses. Example: sales equals $5,000, expenses equals $3,000. Profit equals $2,000. This shows the business is healthy, but if profit is very small, the company cannot grow. So, as a manager or business owner, you must always ask, are we really making profit or just working hard with no gain? Accounting helps us answer this clearly. Point 3. Read basic financial reports. Balance sheet. Third skill is reading financial reports, especially the balance sheet. Balance sheet shows three things: what company owns, assets; what company owes, liabilities; owner's value, equity. Example: if a company has assets equals $10,000, loans equals $8,000, it means the company is risky because debt is high. But if assets equals $10,000, loans equals $2,000, it means the company is strong and stable. So by reading reports, we can make better decisions, invest wisely, predict future growth. Simple conclusion. So remember, skill 1, track cash flow. Skill 2, check profit. Skill 3, read reports. If you learn these three skills, you can manage business better, make smart financial decisions, grow faster in your career. Even I believe every professional should know accounting basics, not only finance people. If you found this lecture helpful, please subscribe to Prixma Hub, press the bell icon, and like and share this video so more people can learn business skills and grow their careers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lecture.